tell you a little bit of a story, actually, right? Story time with Jordan. We'll love them. Spirit, though. There was this person that I'm going to speak about still keeps in contact with us. So they don't mind is saying the story, and I think it's a beautiful story to share with each and every one of you. I was doing a live stream, and straight away, the way that it works with me is first of all, I'm here to help each and every one of you to be able to help yourself. I'm not here to wipe people's backsides. I'm not here to just do readings after reading. Listen, that's been done for centuries. Look at the horrible state of affairs mankind are in, because there's a dependency for other people. If you want a reading, what do? You go to someone else. No, that stops now. You do it yourself. That is the mindset that you need to have. That is the mindset that the populace needs to strive for. By doing that, you're not going to be looking at other people to pay them for service that you could do for yourself. Stop trying to cheat. Do this for yourself. It's more magical. It's more special. You can do it. However, this person had come onto the live stream. And to say they were getting on my nerves was an understatement. But Spirit told us to leave them on. And this is very, very rare. For those of you who don't know, the Spirit World will actively, if somebody comes on to the classes, they'll say, right, get rid of them. If somebody comes on and straight away, Spirit World don't want them here, Spirit World will remove them. They'll just tell us straight away, get rid of them. They're not what you need on the channel. So this person come on and they were annoying us. And Spirit were like, no, don't. We're telling you, don't do it, Jordan. And I was like, why? Why? What is the purpose of this person being here? And they were asking loads of silly questions. And there's never a silly question, but there is when there is no logic to the question. You know, I always recommend each and every one of you to ask a question to me during the lives. And I'm not saying that your question is going to be silly, but what I'm saying is have a tangible, question. Ask questions related to the topics we're speaking about. Ask questions based on information that you want to know. Don't just come onto a live stream and just randomly say the spirit world's not there and this and this and this and this and this. With no, it's one of those things. It's like mankind are a full victim to this. Everyone's entitled to an opinion based on nothing. And that's where the problem lies. It's all right to have an opinion, but at least have an educated opinion. Take a little bit of a notion, look at the facts, look at the bigger picture. Don't just think because you have the right to speak or you have the right to an opinion, you have to speak. Sometimes you don't have to speak. Sometimes you can just assess a situation and go, hang on, I'm going to use my common sense. Okay, right. Well, anyway, that's my little bit of a rant over. And this person come onto the live, and I was getting a little bit annoyed with Spirit, if I'm honest with you, because I wanted to kick them off, and every time I went to kick them off, they were like, no, leave them. And the questions kept coming through. The questions were like, the spirit world's not real. And sometimes you've got to be very careful, because sometimes there's going to be like bots and like basically little trolls that sit in the bedrooms like that, and they're like behind loads of computer screens, drinking, popping loads of crisps and whatever they do. I don't know how they sustain their life. But you do get people like that, and you can't let them get to you. Just like any aspect of your life, you can't let other people influence your decisions. You can't let other people influence some of the things that you want to do. And in the back of my mind, I was like, this is a troll. This person is really grating on me. They have been sent to completely annoy me. And when somebody starts disrupting me or disrupting the class, because remember, when there's somebody asking a genuine question, it takes me as a person about 20 minutes to get to the answer. And it's not because I'm slow before anyone says. It's the polar opposite. I like to do things right. I like to not just explain you how to do something. I like to give you the blueprints. So when that time comes around again, you as a person can explain it to somebody else, but in your own little way, in your own little magical way. And that's why everyone who comes onto this channel, what I don't want you to do is to think that you are learning my ideologies and help you serve ethos because you have to do it my way. That's not how this works. Yes, there are going to be certain aspects to it that I would like you to retain to help the heal and the serve part, and also some of the traits along the way where you are going to be doing it with the right intent. But then after that, listen, I'm just helping you to get where you need to be. Sometimes for me to be able to help yourself, it's not by just saying, oh, well, this is the answer. You have to believe it. It's about me helping you to understand how I've come to that answer with the spirit world, and how you can then make it your core foundation. So when somebody asks you the question, you can answer in it whatever manner you want, and you can give the clarity, the direction, and the purpose that that individual will need, so on, so on, so on. So let's just say this person was really starting to grate on me. And it got to the point where even some of the people in the chat were saying, look, Jordan's doing something, like he's talking, stop trying to interrupt, stop trying to be rude. And we've got a lovely little family like that. Like literally, I've never once needed moderators or anything like that on any of my channels, because literally, like, we don't beat around the bush, we don't mess around. Somebody doesn't serve well, bang, gone. I don't even waste time or energy. I don't have it to waste. But it was starting to annoy me even more, because I could see loads of the family members were having to say, look, let him do what he's doing. Let him explain what he's explaining. You've asked him a question. He's now explaining it. You're not even listening to the explanation. You're now coming with another one. You're now... And it was really starting to bug us. Because Spirit were like, no, let them. And straight away, I mean, I get emotional now thinking about it. Straight away, I heard his son's voice say, it's my dad. And even now, I remember the energy coming through. And in those moments, I realised that I had to take a back step. And it was strange, because in me taking a back step, it meant I had to kind of swallow my own pride in their moments. I realised that there was something bigger going on in those moments. This person wasn't a troll. This person had a loved one who was wanting to speak to them. So it transpires anyway that he had lost his son. And he asked us the question, could I connect to him? And I said straight away, he is here. And he asked for the name. I told him the name. And then his son told him he had to stop the drink. And then I think it must have hit a nerve, because his demeanour, his attitude completely changed. And I started crying. And I knew in those moments, through the power of the internet, that this individual was getting the healing that they needed. Which is a really good, it's amazing. It's amazing to be part of. It's amazing to sense. It's amazing to see firsthand. And the person who I was speaking with apologised straight away and messaged us after the live stream. Big chapter, big essay. In fact, because they were actually going to be taking their own life. So, yeah, it can get quite emotional pretty quick. But as you can see, mediumship, when it's done correct, and when it's done with the right ideologies, the right understanding, you can change people's lives. So anyway, let's come over to the next point. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you consider smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and putting the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, as you can see here, look at the playlists on the platform. We have a playlist that is dedicated to psychic medium development. We also have another one that is dedicated for you short lovers out there who just love that short form content. And we also have the paranormal playlist. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right, and I'll see you in the next one.